Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got the June Beauty Edit box by FABFITFUN. I got May for the first time, and I got it because I had some discount, to spend on FABFITFUN. So this same thing happened. They gave me some discounts, so I got it again. So this box is $29.99. And you get 4 full-size items, and you do get to customize. There's not a real big selection of items, but it was, they gave me $15 credit. So I only paid $14.99 for this box, and that includes your shipping also. So it's a real nice box, and I did cut it open already. When you open it up, it does have some stuffing going on. Several of my items are in plastic, which is nice. And it says, ooh la la, beauty box, ooh la la. And then this stuffing, this box is too cute with the lips on it. Isn't that adorable? So this is fairly new from FABFITFUN. It's a monthly box, it's a beauty box, and it is, like I said, $29.99, and that includes your shipping. And I've been watching it. I've seen people open it. They've got some good stuff in there, but I just get a lot of stuff. So I really haven't committed to getting it monthly. I'm going to show you first what I'm wearing, just so I don't forget. I have on this Natasha Denona Love Face palette. It's really shiny pink. Can't really see it. They saw everything to my windows and everything. It's a nice palette. It's not my favorite. I would say this is my very least favorite Natasha Denona palette. There's just not, you can make a couple of looks, maybe 2 looks out of this, is in my opinion. But this what's nice about this is it does have blush and highlight for traveling. I think this is a great travel palette because you can do your eyes a little bit and then also put on some blush. And this is nice. This covers the blush and the highlight to protect it, which is nice. And there is a mirror. They have a protective film. I never really take that off because I hardly ever use the mirror. I got this when it was BoxyCharm at one time. It was was maybe a choice, or maybe they picked it for me. I can't remember. And on my lips, I have my Kosas. This I got from FABFITFUN, the May box, the May Beauty Edit box. And this is in the color Rose Water. And it's just really nice. This is a clean beauty company, and it feels really good on my lips. I really like it. So let's see what I got. I did want to tell you that, I was going to tell you something. It says the FABFITFUN Beauty Edit Box is a monthly, fully customizable subscription delivering 4 full-size beauty and wellness products for $29.99 per month. That includes the shipping. It says the June 2026 curation focuses heavily on summer travel, sun care, and hydration essentials from top-tier brands. So I have a link below for FABFITFUN, but that's for your FABFITFUN quarterly box. I don't know. I haven't seen a link for this. So if there is one, I don't know. But it is what it is. It's $29.99. If you have any credits, you could use it toward it. So you can go to the website and pull that up, or you can go in where they have the shop and pull it up that way as well. And then if you click on it, if you put it in your cart, it'll tell you to customize. So in customization number 1, our choice number 1, we could have picked the brand Self, SELPH Beauty, Self Beauty SPF, Origins, a cleansing balm, Bare Minerals setting spray. So those 3 items, those were our choices. So they range from $35 to $39. I chose the cleansing balm. Sure, that's what I'm showing you. Yeah, the Origins is a wonderful skincare line, company, whatever you want to call them. And this is their cleansing balm. I don't think I've ever had their cleansing balm, but it's Youthtopia Apple Butter Cleansing Balm. But when I read that maybe I have in a sample size, but I've never had it in a full size. I'm sure that it's sealed. It's not sealed. When I opened it, I see a little bit there. I was gonna I can't really smell much. If it smells like apple, it's possible. But anyway, that's what I got. It is 4.2 fluid ounces, 125 mLs. So these are full-size products, and this is a $39 value. So very, very nice. I like that. Cleansing balm. Cleansing balms, you know, take your makeup off. They're great for taking your makeup off. So how this box works is, I told you the brand Self, the brand Origins, and the brand Bare Minerals. So in our second choice, we have a choice of Bare Minerals bronzer blush is what it says. So they have a couple of items from a couple of the different lines. So also there was a First Aid Beauty scrub or Vacation Spray Oil, which is what I chose. I have, let's see, I've got two. This is it, I think. I think this is it. So look at how nice. It's in a bag, which I think is great. That's done by Vacation, because I have another product from Vacation in this box. So that is very nice. So if it had spilled or anything, it would have gone in the bag. It does also have shrink wrap on this top, which is nice. So this is a spray. I think this is going to be a twist, and then you'll be able to spray it. This is the Vacation brand Orange Jelly Sunscreen Spray Oil. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So this is $25. That the choice number 2 range was from $25 to $30. So this is really nice. It's a little different of a sunscreen. It's a spray and it's an oil. Orange Jelly. I wonder if it smells like that, but it's got the shrink wrap on it, so I'm not going to mess with it. It says it's 5 fluid ounces, 148 mLs. A French Riviera icon revisited is what it says. So that is very nice. Choice number 3. We could have picked the First Aid Beauty pads. They are an exfoliating pad, I think. They were one of our choices, I think, in the summer box. And they've been around a little bit in the sales. And then also Joyer lip oil, we could have picked that, or Vacation brand body mist, which is what I chose. Again, it's in a bag. So this category, the pricing was from $24 to $39, and I got the least expensive item is the $24, this After Sun body mist. So this is really pretty, and it says the scent of the illustrious Vacation brand aloe vera gel. The scent of the illustrious Vacation brand, and then it says aloe vera gel. Limited edition pocket mist format. The fragrance notes are aloe vera essence, green tea, something, verjuice or something, melon, cardamom, some other things going on there. I can't even read all that. Minibar gin. So let's check it out. Let's see how this works. Okay, this looks like I'm just going to push this down and it's going to spray. Isn't that cute? There's the spray there. Really pretty bottle. And I think it's just going to push down here. Okay, we'll put it on me. It smells good. It's I'm liking all these mists for summertime, especially. You know, that can go in your hair and on your body. It smells, now I'm getting a little bit of floral going on, like it's changing a little bit. It's pretty. It's hard to describe because I smelled one thing and then I smelled those notes that it said it had. I just smelled melon. It's pretty. It's got a lot going on. I can smell different things and it's super pretty. I love the packaging. And then choice number 4 is we could have gotten okay, it's weird the way you could this I'm not real fond of, but they are doing FabFitFun is doing a wellness area. If you go into the website at the top, it says wellness. They're selling vitamins and things like that. So they have the brand HUM gummies. And I think, I don't remember what the gummies were for. I did not write that down. If they were for vitamins or metabolism, I don't remember. But also they had 2 other Origin products. So they had a hand cream, and then they had what I got, which is a mask. So this is it. This is Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and hyaluronic acid. This is a $20 value. It is 1 fluid ounce and it's 30 mLs. And this is considered full size. And I can see because of the light going through here that it's full. It's completely full. It's not sealed. I'm so surprised. Origins doesn't seal their stuff. I can't smell anything. But that just sounds really nice. Overnight hydrating mask with avocado and hyaluronic acid. So it's gonna be very, help with summer skin. So that is very nice. And the price range on that was $20 to $26. So I got a lot of the cheap stuff, which is fine, let's say I spent 83. I think my box is valued at $113, and it was $29.99, and I spent $14.99. So again, we have 2 products from Vacation. The After Sun, which their packaging is so pretty, and this is the SPF oil, okay? And then 2 products from Origins. So that's the Utopia Cleansing Balm. I've had this before, y'all. Have I not? I've had some Utopia line, but I'm thinking it's the apple peel. That's what I've had. That's different. This is a cleansing balm. The apple peel actually is like an exfoliant. And then the intensive overnight moisture. So that's the thing about this box is you're gonna, there were 2 Bare Mineral products. Last month, there were a couple of First Aid Beauty products. This time there was just 1. But you're going to see a couple of, which is nice. If you really want to, I want to try that line, you can try a few things, from them. So, I haven't had much from Vacation, so this is nice to get 2 products from them. So I'm happy with it. And it's still smelling good. And it smells different. Every time I smell it, it smells different. But it's nice. It's a refreshing scent, which is nice. But it is not beachy scent. A lot of things, or what I've smelled before from Vacation smells, like you're on the beach. And this is very fresh and clean, but not beachy. So that is my June Beauty Edit box from FabFitFun. And I will cancel it again probably. And unless they give me credits, which they may, you never know when they're going to give you some credits. They're a little crazy. So we'll see what happens going forward, y'all. So thanks for stopping by to see what I got. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.